Hi, this is Vadim from Online Training for Everyone, and in this video I'll show you how to access your clipboard on Windows. If the video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. To access clipboard on Windows, we first need to navigate to Settings and turn on Clipboard History. To do this, click the Start button, select Settings. Make sure you are in System, scroll down, and select Clipboard. Here you need to turn on Clipboard History, and to access it, you need to use Windows key plus V. I'm going to click Windows V to show you how it looks. Since we didn't add anything, nothing is here. Let's go ahead and add some items. I'm going to open Notepad, and here I have a sentence, Access Clipboard History with Windows V. I'm going to select each word in the sentence one by one and add them to the clipboard. And now if I click Windows V, I see all these words in the clipboard. If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. And make sure to check out other videos on the channel for more Windows tips and computer tutorials. Enjoy your day.